Like I told you guys, I'm gonna do it count in Afrikaans. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's off. I'm just drying it now, and my hands, of course. But I don't need to dry my hands. I don't have to dry my hands now because I'm doing this. I don't know what's its name because it's, yeah. That's the easier way. My eyes is burning. Don't put too much on because then your eyes is gonna burn. I put it too much now, so my eyes is burning. Oh no, I spilled it. Just need to do my forehead. 30 seconds, and I'm gonna do it in Afrikaans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Voila! And I'm done. I just, yes, you know, I dried it and I put it water on my face, and here's the result.